can you share po like if ever made preps po or something for dinner?
How's the wedding preps?
It's coming soon. So I'm actually almost finished with my wedding preps, and I'm very thankful. You know, being in the sports industry, being part of the beauty pageant industry, I've met a lot of friends along the way who have helped me plan this wedding. So if there's one thing that I'm grateful for being a part of the beauty pageant industry, sobrang daming connections at daming friends na talagang tumulong sa akin during the whole preparation. And ang dami ko talaga naging mama, ang dami ko naging mga friends talaga nag-alaga sa akin all throughout. And I'm doing this journey with them. And my wedding is this year, actually in a few weeks. So, yeah. And so, you all see.
Sorry po, if ever po na you get married na, you still gonna be active sa Valentine's Day?
Tapos ako siya ng Facebook. Hindi ako mag-retire, not so soon. Yes, I still will continue playing. And I will not leave. We are in season now, so our wedding will be in the midst of our season. So I will try to balance as much as we can and schedule. And hopefully my teammates as well will get to enjoy the celebration. And yeah, I will continue to play for the next, we'll see how many more years.
Michelle, follow up lang doon. What about in pageantry? Are your doors closed in pageantry na?
Yes, I think I have exhausted my years. I have invested everything that I could in beauty pageants when I joined back in 2018 and 2020, and I've achieved already what I wanted back then. And I've learned a lot also throughout, and I'm a spectator now who just really